haven't showed you the inside for a while because the plasterers have been hard at work and they don't like to take breaks actually. I think it's something to do with the way that the plaster sets. They like to crack on and finish a space, so I haven't wanted to interrupt them. So what we see now are the plastered walls, all lovely and smooth, and just lots of cables sticking out here, there and everywhere. That means second fix will be underway. If I just poke my head around the corner here, look, we have stairs. No more climbing up ladders for me inside the house. And you also have an idea of what it'd be like to walk down the corridor into the snug, because that's where the wall will be when it's finished. They've started some carpentry work in here. We've got some bespoke units. But yeah, marching on. I think they're going to be putting in some bathrooms. Let me go up the stairs. Instead of the ladder for the first time, I'm going up the stairs. You can see the plastering work. I think today they're actually putting insulation into the loft, because that's been a job that they kept back for a little while. Not a pleasant job, but just very thick layers of insulation. If you've noticed a blue tinge on anything, it is the windows, because on the outside they're just finishing off the lime render at the moment, and they've used this polythene that's tinted a pale blue, and it means that the poor plasterers have had to squint up here as they've been going along. I think they bring their own lights. You can see door frames as well. I think the doors are going to go in very soon. I know I've had a discussion about hinges today. And then on the outside, what they've been up to is digging the trench for electrics, for water, sewage, and what have we forgotten? Communication. So all of those in the trench. They've done some landscaping outside at the front. And of course, the big one, the lime render, just about finished. We've had some lovely weather. In fact, if anything, it's been too hot for the last few days. And then we've gone to complete the other end of things because it's actually been too wet, which is not a friend of our lime renderers. So we're hoping we'll get that all finished because Duncan needs to move on to his next project.